People like Matt Powell really piss me off. The fact that he's going around and claiming that he's trying to rid the world of all these lies really irritates me. He dumbs it all down to make it sound stupid to his audience, because it's a lot easier if you make something sound stupid to convince him it's wrong or it's flawed.
Beards can really take a hit. University of Utah researchers discovered human beards evolved to absorb punches to the head and jaw.
And my beard grow a little more. Research shows that flowing facial hair might have evolved to help fight hungry humans better absorb blows to the head.
So what evolution teaches us is that when we were primates, we fought so much and so hard and hit each other in the jaw that our jaw had to create a cushion in our face. Folks, that is weird, okay? That's not just unscientific, okay? That is weird.
Alpha male's got
the caveman comes by.
Fortunately, no humans were slugged in the name of science.
Why not? Yeah, this isn't science. You gotta put it to the test.
I mean, real life experience.
Hey, well, put it to the test.
And my beard grow a little more. The findings are the culmination of several research projects by the same team on human resilience, including experiments on the ability of the human face to take a punch.
Did that hurt? Nope. Got a beard.
He dumbs it all down to make it sound stupid to his audience, because it's a lot easier if you make something sound stupid to convince him it's wrong or it's flawed.